Is your home safe this season? Find out now. Am I the only one who forgets those little home checks until something goes wrong? Let's fix that. Here's your year-round safety cheat sheet. First up, spring. Check for leaks or water stains. That could mean hidden mold. Open those windows for fresh air. Swap out old air filters. Summer, test smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Clean out dryer vents. Look for signs of pests or termites. Fall, time for gutter cleaning. Weatherproof doors and windows. If you've got an older home, consider an asbestos inspection. Winter, watch for condensation on windows. Musty smells are another mold red flag. Wipe down high-touch surfaces. Keep an eye on air quality. If you're running the heat non-stop, if you're unsure what's lurking in your walls or air, call MD Mold Testing. Over 25 years experience. Find them at mdmoldtesting.com.